Hi, welcome. Now we will solve a valid palindrome question. Let's open the palindrome question. Here is the description of palindrome. A phrase is palindrome if after converting the uppercase letters, we will remove uppercase, we will filter the symbols, and when we reverse it and when we compare it itself, it should be same. So we will return output true, otherwise we will return here is another example. For example, filtered string race a car, and as you can see, reverse string, it is not same, so this example will return. Now I will create a function for preprocess string, and it will remove all the symbols. Let's join. I will make it lowercase or C in S if C is all num. This will check that alphanumeric. So let's change the S value to purpose version of it. And now let's return and let's compare it with reversed version of itself. In order to check, in order to make it reverse, we need to do like this. And let's compare with itself. Let's run the test cases first. As you can see, test cases passed. Let's submit our solution. As you can see, it passed.